Hi everyone. Today we are going to solve question number 11 to 15. If you want to get the continuation, please watch my previous video with question number 1 to 10. I will give the link in the description box. So let's start. Question number 11. A business provided the following information about telephone expense for the year ended 31st December 2018. 2018 is the year end. They are given prepaid at January 2018. Our accounting period ends at December 2018. So starting prepaid at 1st January 2018 means it is the opening balance. It is the opening balance. Then here they are given prepaid at 31st December 2018. It means that is the closing balance. This is the closing balance. Next, the total amount paid they are given. Total amount paid is 4,875. Then the question given accrued expense. Accrued. Accrued opening. Accrued opening means that is 650 accrued. This is the opening. Then again they are given closing accrued. So what is the question? What was the telephone expense to be included the income statement of this year ended 31st December 2018? So how to do this? How we calculated the total amount which goes to the income statement. Here the total amount paid is 4,875. This included opening and closing. Here they are given the prepaid and accrued. So prepaid, opening prepaid means paid in advance. Last year paid in advance means that is for this year. So opening we should add, while closing prepaid. This year business paid some amount in advance for next year. It means that is not for this year, that should be included in the next year income statement. So this will be removed. Opening prepaid and closing prepaid deduct. Next, accrued. Accrued means the service has done but the amount has not paid yet. So it must be included in the income statement to get the accurate profit. So opening accrued means this is the last year accrued. We are not paid but we are adjusted in the last year income statement. So this we should deduct from here. This is already done in last year. While this year accrued means we should add. It should be added in the as per the matching or prudence concept. We should add in the income statement. So we have to add and deduct. Then what is the amount we get? First one, prepaid, add 975, deduct 1175. Then accrued, add 650. No, opening we should deduct. Deduct 650, add closing accrued 545. What is the amount? We get the amount 4570. So our answer is, the correct answer is B. Next. L and M are in partnership. They are two partners. Which item should appear in the partnership appropriation account? Partnership appropriation account means the business ender, all the adjustment, what the business has to give to the partners and what they have to receive from the partners. So, the first one, additional capital contributed by M. One partner has contributed some capital to the business. That will directly go to the capital account. So, this is not the correct answer. cash drawing of L and M. Drawing never take in the partnership appropriation, it goes to the current account. Then they are given two salaries. These are salary to L, salary paid to M sister. So here profit and loss appropriation account only entering the transaction between the partner and the partnership firm. That means the partnership firm with the second party, they are the partners. But income statement we enter the transaction with third parties. Here salary due to L. L is the partner, so he is the second party. This transaction will go to partnership appropriation account, but the salary paid to M sister. M sister is the third party. It goes to the income statement, not profit and loss appropriation account. So which is the correct answer? Correct answer is C. Next. X and Y had been in partnership. They are sharing profit and losses equally. On 1st July 2018, Z was admitted as a partner and three partners, they are sharing profit and losses again equally. On that date, assets were revalued and there was profit on revaluation. There was revaluation profit 36,000. What were the accounting entries to record the profit on revaluation? Profit on revaluation means that is the capital reserve. When we are revaluing the assets and liabilities, profit or loss from that revaluation is called capital reserve or capital loss. Here it is the profit, so that is the capital reserve. Capital reserve means we always enter in the capital account. So let's see. Here the first one given, credit X current account and credit Y's current account. No, we will not enter in the current account. This is the capital reserve. Again, this is the current account. No, this is the capital reserve. This is the capital reserve profit. It will go to the credit side of capital. So C is X, credit X capital account, credit Y's capital account. Here it is the profit. Profit will be credited in the capital account and loss will be debited in the capital account. So then the third D part, credit X capital, credit Y's capital, credit Z's capital. Revaluation account profit or loss only divide between the old partners. Here Z is the new partner, so the business never share the revaluation profit or loss with the new partner, only between the old partners. So the correct answer is C. Old partners are X and Y. It is the profit. It will be credited with the X capital account and Y's capital account. Next question. Question number 40. P, Q and R in partnership. There are three partners. Here Q is retiring and the following terms have been agreed. Goodwill is valued 35,000 but will not be retained in the books. So it should be written off. They are not keeping in the books. Then net assets are revalued downwards. Revalued downwards means it is not increasing. So we can say that is the revaluation loss only. Right. It is the loss. Then the same time they have goodwill valued 35,000. 35,000 goodwill will increase the capital. So which entries in the capital account of Q record this adjustment? Q is leaving the business. So which transaction will be adjusted in the Q's capital account? So let's say here goodwill will be credited. It is increasing the value of the capital. The same time he has to share the downward assets value is decreased, loss of the revaluation. That he should be given from his capital account. He should share. So all the decreasing capital will be debited, increasing capital will be credited. Goodwill will increase the capital, while revaluation loss will decrease the capital. So let's check. Goodwill. It will credit the capital account. So it is correct. But revaluation credit, no, that is wrong. Second, goodwill will be credited and revaluation will be debited. That is the correct. Second also here debit, it is wrong. So the correct answer is B. That means goodwill is increased. It will increase the capital while revaluation loss, it will decrease the capital. So next question. Question number 50. A company issued one ordinary shares for 120 each. Actual price of the share is 1, but they are issuing to 1.20. The total proceeds were recorded in the ordinary share capital account. Here, the actual price of the share is 1, but they are issuing at increased price 0.20. It is what it is called. Issuing the share capital at increased price is called share premium. Clear? Share premium will be always credited. That is the income of the business. Then one is the ordinary share capital. So which entry complete the entries for the share issue? Share issue. When we are issuing the share capital, we open the capital account. Credit side we get bank 1 into, that means the share capital full amount at 1.2 price we will credit in the capital account. But out of this 0.20 into share, it should be given in the premium account. We will debit in the premium account. This transaction then we will put in the credit side of premium account as capital. From capital we take 0.20. Premium is the income of the business. Premium will be credited and capital will be debited. Let's check the answer. The first one, suspense account and ordinary. Suspense means it's connected with the trial balance when there is the error. So that is wrong. The second one, ordinary share capital debited. Yes, ordinary share capital account will be debited here to premium account. This is correct. But suspense, no suspense. Then see, ordinary share capital debited, share premium credited. Second one is just opposite transaction given. So the correct answer is C. Hope you all understood the class. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.